Good afternoon, class. Welcome to week one. I just want to go over a couple things that are going to be due this week. First of them being or a couple of the things that are going to be due by Wednesday that are mentioned in week zero. So your introductions, your pretest, and of course, just looking through your syllabus. You should be able to get that done by Wednesday. A few things that you got to do are read chapters 1 through 3 in your textbook. And then also the three assignments that are going to be due by Sunday. So the first is quiz one, which should be about 20 questions. And most quizzes are going to be about that long or maybe a little bit shorter, but they usually have a couple components to each question. The second part is the assignment, which is central tendency calculations. So here you're just going through a few tasks that you have to do on an Excel spreadsheet, and you're going to need your textbook for that part, and it'll walk you through each part. But if you have any questions, you have any problems, just shoot me an email or post it on the discussion board, and we can kind of walk everyone through it if everyone has the same questions. The last part is the critical assignment preparation. So this part, make sure that you're communicating with me on this. If you have any questions, if you're not too sure about what your question should look like, well, first of all, look at the week one link at the very bottom. It explains what the cap is, and then also it gives you a few examples of what your question should look like. Obviously, don't copy that question exactly, but it'll give you a good starting point. And just to clarify that, just reading off your syllabus, it says a critical assignment is designed to lead students step by step through a research project. Students will use information learned in class and apply it to a research question that can be developed and studied. Students will prepare a written paper and present their findings to their peers in week 8. So, a couple important things here. It has to be a topic that can be actually studied, that you can actually create a whole research project on. It can't be something that we develop a questionnaire or we're just doing interviews on. These aren't case studies. This has to be an actual experiment. So we're actually testing something, whether it be an instrument or a treatment or an exercise protocol. And as you'll see in the examples, that's kind of what it's leading you towards. So if you have any more questions about that, please just shoot me an email or post it on the discussion board. Um, but aside from that, have a great week, and we'll be in touch soon. All right.